P.S. It's Monday. A lot of this stuff is just a no-brainer, but let's make sure this year we don't get caught up in everything that's new. 3 ways you can embrace technology to streamline your operations. Number 1, when you're looking for these tools, you should find something that fits your existing workflow. Number 2, this should eliminate a process, not create more processes. If this, takes on the step of 1 or 2, but replaces hours of work, that's fine. But ultimately, everything that you onboard this year should reduce the amount of steps you should be taking to get something done. Focus on the connection aspects of these technologies and how they integrate with your current ecosystem. When you're using AI, use it for repetitive task making. We probably already do this as a whole, but here's your reminder. AI isn't capable of doing everything. In fact, when you do everything with AI, it comes out like garbage. Put AI where it needs to be. It's in the middle of all your processes. It's making documents. It's making outlines. It's helping automate and collect data. It's comparing what's in the market. At this point, I've used AI to replace Google, and it does a hell of a job. Let's adopt a low-code solution. We are all going to have to learn some new technologies this year, and for some of us, that means we're going to have to kind of understand how things work. Take Zapier. Zapier was a great crash course for a lot of people to understand the and/or process. And as we expand that, we need to make sure that whatever tools we bring in this year are low code, aka let's not get too extreme. Everybody needs to know how to do this at the end of the day. Utilize cloud functions. We use Dropbox and ClickUp. Between those two, we can do a lot in terms of offloading, uploading, requesting files, sending files, organizing that within our task manager. All of that cloud-based technology and integration make sure that it's easy to collaborate when it comes to delivery. And if you don't have that solution yet, or if it isn't nailed down, focus on it this year. Find a solution that is more cloud-centric and integrated. Newsflash, nothing is new under the sun, and there are no new magical apps that have just appeared overnight. So I'm going to focus on 3 with some practical examples. So number 1, Zapier. Now I know we all know what Zapier is, but go check it out this year. There are probably some automations that your company could benefit from. You want to automate email responses. Somebody reaches out. Are you paying for another service, or can you do that with Zapier? What else can Zapier do for your client and for your business operations? Low code, no code solution would be ClickUp. We are avid evangelists when it comes to ClickUp because it is so easy to use. It's dynamic. We can scale it. You should go look at their ClickUp University. That's going to be a very practical no-code situation. And if you hand it off to the right people in your company, they could probably come up with some processes that are going to blow your mind. Just set them loose on that. So the last one, integrating all of your systems together is a bit of a hard one. To give you a practical example, we've balanced out Dropbox as our major file handler for collaboration with contractors around the globe and with our clients. We integrate ClickUp in a means that is unique for us. We have certain spreadsheets and documents in which we track our projects and thereby centralizing our communication and efforts. And some people choose to use Slack. Like, don't forget, there's communication platforms out there that kind of bridge the gap between chat functionality and file organizer and updating tasks and that sort of thing. We still prefer to work off of meetings. Our simple processes make us successful. So Slack and these communication platforms, even like ClickUp, may not be a good fit for you, but explore them. Because if you don't have anything in place, and if you don't have a process in which you guys can all collaborate as a team or a company, if you don't have those standardizations, put it in place. And the best way to do that is cloud integration. Well, I hope that clears it up. Remember, sometimes the best tool isn't the newest tool. Technology is meant to simplify complexity, not create it. When it comes to embracing technology, might not be the new ones, but the ones that make collaboration effortless.